What's up, guys? Today's Geeky Acrylics video, I just want to discuss the easy way to take the head off of your pop figure. It's super easy. All you want to do is take a hair dryer and hold it semi-close to the neck of your pop figure and just kind of rotate it, heat all the way around that bottom edge. It's just basically the body is just glued on and the glue heats up, and 9 times out of 10 you can just pull the body, pull it away from the head. I've only had maybe one pop that was a little stubborn, like maybe there's a little extra glue that it didn't want to come off just using this method. You can also take an exacto knife and kind of just carefully cut around the edge, but like I said, most of the time you're going to be able to just heat it up and just pry it apart after heating it up for probably about 30 to 45 seconds with a hair dryer. If it's a little more stubborn and it's not coming off all the way, you can heat it up again or use the exacto knife, but it pulls apart the base that sits on the body. Sometimes that stays on the body and sometimes it stays on the head, if that makes any sense, that little piece, but it goes back together. It kind of looks a little warped, but I promise when you stick the head back on, it looks fine. You can kind of put it back into shape, so it's very easy to do, and it'll go right back on, whether it stays on the head or the body. I think it's better if it stays on the head, because then it doesn't get in the way of me painting the body. But either way, very simple process. I hope you found this video helpful. This is a part of a series I'm going to do to teach you how to create your own pop figures. So I hope that you will give this video a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Until next time.